So after so much trouble, we have finally reached our destination, our farm stay in Chianti. So let me give you the room tour. This is the main entrance door for our room. This is the bed. And the washroom. How pretty is that? Hey guys, so this is the next morning. We just woke up and got dressed and now gonna have some breakfast. And the view is so beautiful. Here's our breakfast. And this is the view.
I want to see the big tattoo of my dad.
Good morning. Ciao. I'm Tobias. Hi. Tobias. Ciao.
Look at his tattoo.
It's very pretty.
Look, okay.
See, it's okay. It's dry now. Okay, Roman is dry. She can touch it.
What's his name?
He's Roman.
Roman.
And the other one is Dorian. Are you enjoying your time?
Oh yes. Very
Relax.
yes. Very relaxed.
Tranquility.
We've been traveling since 2 weeks. So
Okay. It's not.
we are chilling. We are here.
Did you travel Italy or Europe?
Yes, we did. We went to Naples and Rome. And then
Yeah.
No, questi ora non si può.
The Taj Mahal.
Yeah.
I have been in the Taj
you've
Mahal
been to India?
twice. Oh, two times. Yes.
What all places did you see there?
Been there when I was younger than I was 20 years old.
Okay.
And I start from Sri Lanka, Ceylon.
अच्छा ये नहीं देखा था कल तुमने खेलेंगे अपन बट मेरे को कौन सा आता
We are all set for our road trip.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain.
है
ये क्या है?